This is a business transaction. The moment umuo kayo, you have to finish the job.
Verify target.
Confirming that.
Eagle, papunta na kami sa exit point. Confirm if it's clear to proceed.
Go.
Death is always a possibility.
3, 2, 1.
Bagong kontrata. Name your price. Kailangan namin ng tulong.
Contractor.
JB, I have a job for you.
Ano to? Extraction, rescue.
2 million pesos. Complete payment.
Palitulo.